Welcome back to Crucial Minds. Ready to level up your English like never before? This is where simple learners become powerful speakers. Today, we're diving into advanced phrasal verbs, the secret weapon that makes your English sound fluent. Let's get started. Back out, to withdraw from an agreement. Examples: he promised to join the project but backed out at the last minute. She decided to back out of the trip due to health issues. Break up, to end a relation or to separate. Examples: they decided to break up after many arguments. The couple broke up last year but remained friends. Break through, to make an important discovery or progress. Examples: scientists finally broke through in their search for a new vaccine. She worked hard to break through the difficulties and achieve success. Bring in, to introduce, or to implement, or to earn. Examples: the company plans to bring in new rules to improve safety. His business brings in a lot of money every month. Bring out, to reveal, or to highlight, or to release something. Examples: this color really brings out your eyes. The company will bring out a new smartphone next month. Come along, to progress, or to accompany someone. Examples: your project is really coming along well. Do you want to come along with us to the movie? Come down, to decrease, or to fall. Examples: the price of petrol has come down recently. His fever finally came down after taking medicine. Come over, to visit someone, or to be suddenly affected by a feeling. Examples: why don't you come over to my house this evening? A strange feeling of fear came over him. Cut off, to stop, or disconnect, or isolate. Examples: the electricity was cut off during the storm. He was cut off from his friends after moving to a new city. Fall apart, to break into pieces, or lose emotional control. Examples: the old book began to fall apart after years of use. He fell apart after hearing the bad news. Get back, to return, or to recover possession. Examples: I will get back home by 6 p.m. Did you get back the money you lent him? Get over, to recover from illness, or disappointment. Examples: it took her weeks to get over the illness. He couldn't get over the disappointment of losing the match. Give out, to distribute, or to stop working. Examples: the teacher will give out the question papers now. His phone battery gave out during the trip. Go over, to review, or examine carefully. Examples: please go over your answers before submitting the test. The manager asked us to go over the report for any errors. Go up, to increase, or to rise. Examples: the prices of vegetables have gone up this week. The balloon went up into the sky. Hand in, to submit something officially. Examples: please hand in your assignment by tomorrow. He forgot to hand in his project on time. Hold back, to restrain, or hesitate. Examples: she tried to hold back her tears during the speech. He held back his opinion to avoid an argument. Look into, to investigate, or examine something carefully. Examples: the police will look into the matter immediately. We need to look into this issue before it gets worse. Look up to admire and respect someone. Examples: many students look up to their teachers for guidance. He has always looked up to his elder brother. Put aside, to save, or to ignore temporarily. Examples: she put aside some money for emergencies. Let's put aside our differences and work together. Run after, to chase, or to pursue someone or something. Examples: the dog ran after the ball in the park. He is always running after success and new opportunities. Show around, to guide someone by taking them to different places. Examples: I will show you around the city when you visit. She showed us around her new house. Take away, to remove. Or to carry something away. Examples: the waiter will take away the empty plates. If you take away 5 from 12, you get 7. Take in, to understand. Or to absorb. Or to provide shelter. Examples: it was hard to take in all the information at once. They decided to take in the stray dog. Work on, to spend time improving or developing something. Examples: she is working on her English speaking skills. He needs to work on his project before the deadline. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.